Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to adjust the microphone level as well as the speaker level on your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So that is right, you do not need a headset to speak to people in game chat or party chat on your PlayStation 5 controller because there is a small microphone right here. Also, there is a small speaker on it right here. And you can use this to hear the game chat as well as the party chat coming through the speaker. And it's very cool. So let's go over to my PlayStation right now. I'll show you how to access this. All you have to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller and open up the quick menu. Now on the bottom, scroll over to sound. And for output device, make sure you have HDMI device TV selected. Then go to controller speaker. All the way to the left, we'll make it quieter. To the right, we'll make it louder. Then for voice chat, if you decrease it to the left, this will actually increase the game chat audio or the game volume audio. If you go to the right, this will increase the party chat audio. Then right here is disable game chat audio. If you turn this on, you won't hear people's voices or you won't have your voice be heard in game chat, but in party chat, it still will be heard. Then we have the option for music and video right here, different volumes for the both of them. Then if we go over to microphone on the bottom right here, this is how we can adjust our controller microphone. So let's go over to mic and select wireless controller. Make sure it's not muted and then go to adjust mic level right here and have it in the good section. If you have it way too loud, you might pick up a lot of things in the background and also kind of be a little bit buzzy and there'll be a lot of static with it. So right about where it says good in the middle of the screen, have your microphone level just around that and that will be good. So you can easily adjust your microphone sound level with the controller speaker here and then the microphone level right here under adjust mic level. So hopefully this quick video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.